Good morning. Myself, Dr. S. Tirumala, Assistant Professor, Department of Environmental Science, Government First Grade College, Davangere. Today, talk about Part 1, Human Population and Environment. Population, all the inhabitants of a particular town or country. The human population is the total number of living humans on Earth. Environment means the sum of the total of all surrounding of a living organisms, including natural force and other living things, which provide condition for development, growth, as well as the some of the danger or damage. Population growth and variations. The term population has its origin from the Latin word popula, meaning the people. In the geology, in the ecology, a population may definite a group of organisms of the same species occupying some of the particular space. Our global human population is nearly 7 billion at present. Increase in the production per capita of the agricultural product produced at the global level ceased during the 1980s. Only the 15% of the world population in the developed world is earning 79% of the income. The current development strategies that essentially led to the short-term gains have led to a breakdown of our Earth's ability to replenish the resource on which we depended. In some of countries, food shortage has become a permanent feature. The 2 of every 3 children in South Africa are under malnutrition. In other regions, the famines due to drought becoming frequent. The present development strategies have not been able to successfully address these problems related to the hunger and malnutrition. The lack of the causes. What is the causes of the population? The lack of birth control. The key component of the unwanted population growth studies shows that nearly 2/3 of the women are poorly about their reproductive capabilities. This causes many women to breed more children than are needed in their country or region. Next point is the religious beliefs. The religious beliefs, most of the doctrines in these religions are based on the idea that deity they worship will prevent the support the birth of a child in this way. The religions act as the birth control method is the belief. The financial incentives. In certain countries with low population rates, there are financial incentives are given to the parent for educating the children in the United States. Tax deduction are put in place and assist parent with the day-to-day cost of the raising age children. Next, the fertility treatments. The modern science has found ways to stimulate the system in the many ways better ensure a pregnancies. There are many drawbacks with this procedure. However, there are changes for the increase in the birth rates in many women. Next, mortality rate. In the most of the third world countries, of the mortality rates of the children is the 1 in 10 according to the World Health Organization. The worldwide, there are roughly 9 births of every death. The next point, the Industrial Revolution, which occurred in the 19th century, Europe and the North America, involved the several scientific and technological innovations to development and advancement have improved the quality of the life and have expanded their average lifespan. Next point is the production, food production. Since mid-19th century, many agriculture innovations enabled to the farmer dramatically increase and improve the productions. For instance, the 1950s and 1984, the total amount of harvested worldwide, the increasing from the nearly 631 million tons, billion tons of the production. Next point is the public health. By the 1990s, the technological advancement facilitating the cleaner cities, efficient sewage system, nutritional knowledge, and adequate homes may have also lowered death rates. Next point is the diseases. The scientific discoveries and technological advancement that help prevent the infections, the cure illness, and enable people to the survey diseases have significantly promoted the population growth. The vaccinations have reduced the rate of infections such as smallpox, influenza, rubella, and polio. Effects. What is the effects of the population? Overpopulation. When population group pass through point to point, the environment can no longer to supply for the resource requirement. Support the groups need related to the freshwater and biodiversities and waste management. In the effects, the impact on the food and water. The food and production creates the strain on habitat and energy use, where is even more critical for human survival. In the Siberia and Syria clubs states that more than 1 billion people do not have access to the clean water. And food production and distribution. The more people means production of more agricultural and food resources. The problem is how those food resources are distributed and shall be able to produce desired quantity of the food or not. The next point is effects is the population effects, the energy consumption and waste. Energy to heat and cool our homes and buildings and to the run cars and equipment. Waste takes in on many forms of the sewage or the trashes. Some of the waste is into the atmosphere, spread into the atmosphere, the water and water pollutions are result. The next point, the poison and fuels. More than 16 millions of hectares of the forests are cleared annually. Forest covered is the link not only the biodiversity issue, but it is also to preservation of the freshwater ecosystem, the groundwater supplies, and reducing the amount of the greenhouse gases which causes by the climatic changes. And another effects for the soil erosion. The more people they are, the more and resource they use, and more population that results. This pollution may include the air pollution due to increasing the fossil fuels, emission of the vehicles, or land or water pollution due to the increasing of the amount of waste. The second point affects the habitat destruction. As the population in cities grows, the urban sprawls desires for also grows, the resulting in the destruction of the critical habitat. A number of plants and animal species, the losses of habitat can result in the environment such as the mountains, uh, some of the lions, deers, and cytos. And habitat fragmentation. The next effects is mainly effects for the habitat fragmentation. In the natural habitats that are broken into the separate pieces of due to the construction of the buildings, roads, and other man-made objects that may alter the migration routes of the animals. And another effects of the population increase the public health and concern. Unchecked population growth may lead to public heal. The problem, for the example, in many developing countries, population do not have access to clean water resources or clean water source. The water pollution caused by lack of proper sanitation can easily lead to the spread of the diseases. Next point is the women and child welfare. In the country like India, women is as having a place of holy sermon. Even people feel that the women are being a supporter, the family members, and especially for our husbands. But on the other hand, the evils like dowry and female uh, websites are being the obstacles, the growth and development of the human it has been seen that most of the human are living in their depressed, crushed and exploited personalities. Through some human are found to dominating in exposing their strength and talent. Nowadays are leading in almost all fields. In the election, also 33% seats are kept for reserved for human, so that they can explore their limits and can be fought in the economic and social advancement. The reason why need for provide some statutory protection rights to for the humans, they are being approached by the family members, societies not to think out of the box. After marriage, women are not encouraged to take a part in any product activities and are only allowed to take care of their families and adjust with the new environment. The tradition like dowry, sati, prata, and encouraging only male at work necessities needs to provide some statutory protections to the rights of women. The following are some of the acts helps to the woman and stand on their feet and enable them fight against the injustice. In the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961 to pay demand for the dowry, the cognizable offence, it is the cognizable offence as per the amendment thereafter afterwards. The Hindu Widow Remarriage Bill, the Hindu Women Rights to Property, the Hindu Succession Act, the Equal Remuneration Act, the Equalize the Wage Share and Men and Women employees working in the same posts, Women and Girl Act 1956 to protect or to uplift from the entrapping woman and non-ethical act. Child welfare. In the following, child welfare are some of the programs undertaken for child welfare under the Nation Children Board, the Integrated Children Development Service, the improving nutritional health status of the children, proper psychological and social development of the children, the reducing incidence of their malnutrition, mortality, morbidity, and the school dropout, and enhancing capacity of the mother to look after the normal health and nutritional needs for the child through proper health and nutrition and education. And Balavadi nutrition program in the 1970 to 71 to provide full nutrition, provide facilities and informal preschool education to the children for 3 to 5 years of the age. Toy bank scheme, the children welfare under the toy bank scheme in the 1986, the toy are collected in the school from children and are sent to the Anganwadi, Balavadi and nurseries for distributing to children who cannot afford to buy such toys. Child labor eradication scheme. In the 1994, the child eradication scheme will be enforced to shift the child labor and hazardous industries and schools. And midday meal scheme in the 1995, the primary schools are provide free midday meal, Akshaya Patre, and the Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act in the 1986, the employment of the children under the age of the 14 years, and Integrated Child Development Program 1975 to 76, supplementary nutrition, immunization, health checkup service, and heal the education, non-formal education, other related services. Environment and human health, human population and environment. Due to increasing of the population, we started the destroying of the natural resources, obtain some of the services like destruction of forest for firewood, construction and for nature. And some of the drilling the bottom of the sea for obtaining oil or transportation, converting the forest into the agriculture land for growing and increasing the food production, uses of water to residents and industries, and construction of the dams for water storage, land pollution due to the establishment of textile industries and dyeing, bleaching of the industries. In the forces, the making the life more comfortable, we degraded the environment. The environmental pollution, the effect of all human activities like urbanization, industrialization, and population density. The greatest pollution is the population growth. The following for the reason why population growth is greatest pollution. It is mainly the population growth. It is the main pollution for our environment, or where the digging process undertaken to the extraction of the minerals useless for agricultural and vegetation process are may useful minerals and make the land should be an infertile. Use of wood for country countless activities destroy the forest, and deforestation increases level and increases of the carbon dioxide. This increases the changes of the greenhouse effect. Due to establishment of different industries, smoke, dust particles, and poisonous gases are emitted from the chimneys of the factories. These increases air and water pollution and also increases the chances of water and airborne diseases. Increasing the temperature will alter the season cycle and adversely affects the productivity of the crops. Even some sensitive living species may face the several survival of the problem. Tons of garbage and rubbish and thrown every day reduces the sinking of the capacity of the garbage storage capacity. The earth and may face the problem of the garbage disposal in the near future. Effects of the human due to pollution by population growth. Increasing the population due to migration from rural people to urban, increasing the pollution in the cities and breaks the villages. The immediate increases in the urban population cause the house rent may increase and poor classes will be unable to get the proper accommodation. They will start living in the slum areas where there are no facilities like sanitation, heater, supply, electricity. As such, the chances of the pollution increases. Increasing the pollution may also result into the some of the health problem to the people. That areas surrounding the slums, due to the air and water soil pollution, there might be chances of the epidemic to attack the cities. Classification of diseases. The epidemic, sometimes some type of diseases being suffering whole society and locality for the particular time period. The diseases are called the epidemic diseases. Example, in the monsoon, due to heavy rainfall, the environment malaria may start spreading as the wet atmosphere is the growth of the mosquitoes. And the endemic, some of the diseases are caused due to some particular situation like population density, rubbish are thrown near slums, etc. Such reasons, the skin related disease may start due to the filth and uncleanness. It may last for the long time. And chronic diseases. Chronic diseases is the lasting for very long period and causing the piercing of vein. Water, air and soil-borne diseases are gastro, asthma, lung cancer, burning sensations. And communicable and non-communicable diseases, smallpox and acute diarrheal diseases, viral of hepatitis, cholera, rabies. These are the diseases, etc. The communicable and non-communicable diseases. Information about some diseases. Malaria. The first I will discuss about the malaria. The symptoms of the malaria: tremor in the beginning and then the patient suffering from the fever, body breaking the sensation and headache and vomiting, and experiencing the perceptions after the fever. The fever comes each day for alternate days for the third day. Body becomes a pale due to the restriction of the blood corpuscles and spleen of the patient is grown. Causes: malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasite. It enters in the human body by mosquito bites. Open the pits of the water or conserve the water may be the cause the production of these mosquitoes. The female of the Anopheles mosquito bites the malaria patients, and then another human may suffer from the malaria. Treatment: patient should be given rest in a room with air and light. He should be given treatment prescribed by the doctor. Even after the fever, patient should be given chloroquine for few more days. Efforts should be started to control the mosquitoes. Proper pesticide should be sprinkled in the patient's room. Next diseases is the typhoid. Typhoid, the fever begins with the headache, occurrence of the swelling or ulcer in the intestine, less hunger, diarrhea or consumption, stomach ache, weakness in the body, sometimes bleeding from the nose. Increasing the fever, the first week pink spots appears on the chest or in the belly. Causes: typhoid is the communicable diseases caused by bacteria. It spread through water and food. In its spreading, bee plays and the main role. Treatment: the patient should be complete rest, light liquid diet should be planned for the patient. Milk and water must be given to after boiling. Putting the wet cloth, rubbing ice in the forehead can be helpful in the treating of the fever. Even after recovery, heavy food should not be given in the patient. The extraction, the patient should be dug or burned. Cloths, bed sheet, and utensils should be cleaned using the insecticide. The treatment should be given according to the advice of the doctor. Next disease is the diarrhea. The heavy diet for the polluted water may cause the diarrhea. It is the bacterial diseases in the stool, motion extended continuously, then the water from the body decreases. This may create some of the possibility of the dehydration. Due to this diarrhea, patient should be treated with glucose and saline bottles. Patient should also be served frequently with the lemon drink or glucose water in the intervals of the time. Symptoms: dysentery. Next is the dysentery. Symptom: frequent stool motions after the frequent gripping stomach, pus and blood along with the stools of the patient, pain in hands and feet, no temptation of the hunger and due to the patient feels weakness. If the amoebic dysentery is lost for many days, then it may create the pus in liver. Causes: it diseases spread by water and food, impurities in water and polluted air. Anti-amoebial parasite may cause the amoebic dysentery. Treatment: medicine as per the advice of the doctor. A patient should be given to the castor oil as the purgative. The patient should be given liquid light diet like buttermilk, lime juice, orange juice. To get the relief from the gripping pain in the stomach, warm should be given after applying the turpentine. Serving the belly jam and isbogol in the boiled warm milk. to be patient. Patient should be given the complete rest. Excession of the patient should be disposed of after the applying the insecticide. Bed sheets, cloths, and utensils should be cleaned using the insecticides. Cholera. Cholera is the symptoms, the gripping pain in stomach, whitish and watery excretory motions of the watery vomiting, dry skin, more thirst, and stoppage of the urine passing, pain in hand and legs, muscles of the legs becomes hard, acute cholera may causes fever, sometimes pulses are shocking slow, body becomes cold slowly, causes it is the waterborne diseases, it is spread by the carriers like flies, the excretion or vomit of the infected persons in open may cause in the epidemic of cholera. It's spread very speedily through the contact of the stool vomit with the drinking water. Treatment, proportion of water in the body should be kept in appropriate. Patient should be hospitalized and treated in the primary. And every one should start drinking boiled water only to stop the epidemic. Children should not be allowed to meet the such patient. Excretion of the patient should be disposed of after applying the insecticides. Bed sheets, bed sheets, and clothes and utensils should be cleaned using the insecticides. Rickettsia. Rickettsia is the affected children is being observed the legs like bow. The joint are hatching. The legs are having swelling. Muscles are slacks. Causes due to deficiency of protein, calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D in food. Insufficient of sunlight, insufficient of proportion of milk and milk fat in food. Treatment, regular sunbath should be given to the affected child. Proper diet consisting of the milk cream, calcium, and protein should be served. Cancer. It is caused by uncontrolled growth in spread of the cells that may affect almost in the tissue of the body. It is different tissue of the body, and hence there are difference of the cancer such as lung cancer, colon cancer, rectal cancer, stomach cancer, breast cancer, and cervical cancer. Remedies of prevent control cancer, promoting the strengthened and comprehensive national control program, building the international network of the partnership for the control, promoting the organized evidence based on interventions for the early detection of the cervical and breast cancer, developing guidelines on the diseases and program management, advocating a rational approach, effective treatment for the potential curable for the tumors, supporting the low-cost approaches to respond to global needs for the pain relief and the palliative care. Suggestion for the cancer. Tobacco and smoking is the single largest preventable of the cancer in the world. It causes nearly 80 to 90% of all the lung cancers death, another 30% death due to the oral cavity, and esophagus and stomach, which are related to the tobacco. Approaching towards the health diet, our weight and obesity can be the cause of the cancers related to the breast, rectum, uterus, and kidney, and fruits and vegetables are the effective controllers for many of the cancers. The infectious agent like viral hepatitis B and C is the liver, papillom virus, cervix, helicobacteria, pylori stomach. Growth of the such agent should be the control. Avoiding the prolonged exposure of the sun of the UV rays and radiation. Avoiding use of some chemicals like asbestos, aniline, and benzene. Thank you. I will discuss about the next part 2.